Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can generate your voice um, in a voice changer feature on in a CapCut web version. So you may open CapCut.com and try to sign in with your account. If you don't have, please sign up, register your account in order to use all the service, all the feature in the CapCut. Now let's click voice changer. And here you can drop an audio or video file here, file size up to 15 megabyte and 15 minutes. You can select your file or you can start recording your voice by click this one. And after that you can select your voice in here, or you can just create new with voice instantly. Feature is free now, free for now. During this time, you can create custom voices and use them to generate speeches with a cap on how many characters they can read. So here also you can change your voice with this list of AI character, like Betty Bob, Gnome, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.